Hello everyone, welcome. So if you're looking to add BNB to your Coinbase wallet, here's a step-by-step guide to help you. So firstly, open up the wallet. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in into your wallet account. After that, copy your wallet address. Once you're in the wallet app, tap on the Receive button. In the Receive section, select BNB from the list of supported tokens and copy the BNB wallet address. After that, transfer BNB from the exchange. Log in into the exchange where your BNB is stored. Navigate to the withdrawal or send section. Paste the Coinbase Wallet BNB address you copied in step 2 into the recipient field. Make sure you select BNB as the asset to send and confirm the transfer details. After that, just wait for the transaction. It's very easy. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the Binance Smart Chain. You can track the transaction using your Coinbase Wallet app or check it on a blockchain explorer. And after that, once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see the BNB balance on your Coinbase Wallet under the Assets tab. And that's it. You're now having your BNB on your Coinbase Wallet successfully. Guys, thank you for watching. If this helps, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next video.